Assalamualaikum, grade 9. As you know that we have started exercise 5.1 and we have done 3 questions. So today the last question of this exercise is question number 4. So this is the second part of this. Question number 4. So x plus y is greater than or equal to 5 minus y plus x is less than or equal to 1. These are inequalities. So their corresponding equations will be x plus y is equal to 5. I gave its name 1, equation 1, and similarly for this inequality I have corresponding equation minus y plus x is equal to 1, and its name is equation 2. So using equation 1, I write this. I put value x 0 for finding the value of y. In equation 1, I put the value 0. X is equal to 0 to find the value of y. So I put 0 plus y is equal to 5. So y value is 5. So its coordinates will be 0, 5. Not like this 5, 0. No, this is wrong. This is the value of y is equal to 5. Value of y is 5, but coordinates in coordinates first is x and other is y. So y x value is 0. This is, and y value we got from it 5. So 0, 5 are the coordinates. Please make your write correctly. Similarly for equation 2, same. Now we will put y value 0 in the same equation 1. So in place of y I put 0, and then x plus 0 is x is equal to 5. So first x term and its value is 5, 0. 0 is y value because we put value of y is 0. Similarly for this equation, same procedure. First x value is 0 and then get the value of 1 minus y plus 0 is equal to 1 minus 1 y is equal to 1. It means that multiply both sides with minus 1, then you will get this will be minus plus and plus minus plus, and this plus multiply plus 1 multiply by minus 1 will be negative. So our coordinates will be x is 0 and y value is minus 1. Now we will put y value is 0. Okay. Then I will put 0 in my case. Then minus 0 plus x will be x, and x is equal to 1. So x value is 1 and y value is 0. And here x value is 0 and y value is 1. So afterward we have to plot these points, plot these coordinates on graph. So I have drawn the graph. So I have drawn the graph over here. First, for the equation 1, its coordinates were equation 1 coordinates were 0, 5 and 5, 0. Okay. Now 0 is 0, x is 0 is here. Okay. And 5 is here. So this is the point 0, 5. And afterward 5, 0. First x value is 5 is here and y value is 0 on this line. So this is the second point 5, 0. So use scale and draw straight line with scale and write equation also. This is the points for equation x plus is equal to 5. Which was the corresponding equation 1. Afterwards, same equation 2 points coordinates are 0, -1 and 1, 0. So now we plot these points on graph for equation 2. So 0, x value is 0 and -1. X is 0 on this line. So this is 0 in this line, okay. And -1 of y axis is this one, okay. So this is 0, -1 and 1, 0. Now x value is 1, x1 is this point and y value is 0. On this point I told you y is 0. So this is 1, 0. This is the, please write the equation also. These points are this equation. Okay. Afterward we have to, like I have already shaded, but how I did this, I tell you. For it we have to put the x and y values 0 in inequalities. So these are the inequalities. To test, this is the first inequality, x plus y. We are not using corresponding equation, we are using inequality. X plus y is greater than or equal to 5. Put y and x and y is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. So 0 is greater than or equal to 5. Is it possible? No. 0, 5. 0, 5 से greater कैसे हो सकता है? So this is wrong. It means that shading will not be towards region. Will not towards origin. I am saying कि अब जो शेडिंग है आपकी क्या आएगी, ऑपोजिट आएगी. और किस इक्वेशन, दिस इक्वेशन ऐसे आएगी, ठीक है, ऐसे, ओके. इस तरह शेडिंग आपकी आएगी. इस लाइन आपने पेंसिल यूज पेंसिल और इस तरह शेडिंग करें, ठीक है, ऑपोजिट टू द ओरिजिन. Similarly, when we talk about the second inequality, and that is this. -y plus x is less than or equal to 1. Put x and y 0. 0 is less than or equal to 1, यानी 0 1 से छोटा है, मतलब 0 is less than or equal to 1. यानी वो कह रहे हैं कि 0 1 से छोटा है, तो ये बात ठीक है. दिस इज ट्रू. सो इट्स मीन दैट आपकी शेडिंग कहाँ आनी चाहिए? आपकी शेडिंग टुवर्ड्स ओरिजिन होनी चाहिए, टुवर्ड्स ओरिजिन होनी चाहिए. तो दिस इज दी लाइन, ये लाइन है आपकी जिसकी आपने शेडिंग करनी है, उसके ऑपोजिट या टुवर्ड्स. क्योंकि ये बात ठीक है तो वी विल डू दी शेडिंग टुवर्ड्स ओरिजिन एंड ओरिजिन इज देयर. सो शेडिंग आपकी इस तरह आएगी. इज इट ओके? लेकिन आपने अब जो फाइनल आपकी शेडिंग है, ये नहीं कि आपने हर तरफ कर देना, ये आपको रफली आपको पता चल गया ठीक, लेकिन आपने शेडिंग वो की जहाँ म्यूचुअल शेडिंग होगी, यानी दोनों लाइंस की शेडिंग जहाँ साथ में इंटरसेक्ट कर रही होगी, वो आपकी शेडिंग होगी. दैट विल बी दी रिक्वायर्ड शेडेड रीजन. सो आप देख सकते हैं कि ये फर्स्ट लाइन की शेडिंग थी, ये वाली, ये जो आई डिड शेडिंग विद ब्लू एरो, वो इस तरफ जा रहे हैं और रेड एरो इस तरफ जा रहे हैं. तो हमारे ब्लू और रेड इस रीजन को फॉलो कर रहे हैं. तो दिस इज द रिक्वायर्ड एरिया ऑफ शेडिंग. तो रिमेनिंग आपकी जो शेडिंग है वो आपकी दोनों लाइन्स का कॉमन रीजन यही बनता है. तो आप डॉक्टर को रेस कर दें. दिस इज योर रिक्वायर्ड शेडेड रीजन. I hope you understand. Please note down on your notebooks and remaining parts as your homework. We already done part 1 in class. So remaining parts, same procedure. First you have to write these inequalities in corresponding equation. Then take first equation and put x value 0, you will get y value, and then put y is equal to 0 and you will get x value. Similarly for the second equation, corresponding equation, you get, you have to put 0 and y get, and then y is put y0, then get x values. And 4 coordinates will become, first you have to plot the first equation coordinates and then join and make the line and write the equation, corresponding equation, you have to write on the line. And similarly you have to plot the other points of corresponding equation and draw the line after plotting the points. And then you have to shade the region. For it you have to check, you have to put 0 and y values, x and y put 0 in inequalities one by one and check if it is true or false. If it is true, then shading will be towards the origin. If it is wrong or false, it will be against, it will against of the origin. So final shading will be mutual or common shading of both lines. I hope you understand. Thank you and do your homework.